Evening, everybody. I'm Anushka, your host for this beautiful session. Today, we have with us the founder and CEO of Simplified. He was a product manager and CEO at Facebook and Uber between 2017 and 2020. Mr. KD Deshpande. He's an entrepreneurial product leader who founded two SaaS companies, built teams and products, raised venture capital, and successfully sold out the business through an M&A exit. He's an expert leadership and product management. We are very grateful to have such talented personality among us this evening. We welcome you, sir.
Hello. Hi, Anushka. Thank you. Hey everyone. Nice to meet you. Anushka, do you want to set the context and kick off the meeting?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have a question for you so that we can grab the maximum knowledge from you. So I want you to tell us something about your beautiful journey from that you were years back and what you are now. So we are
Yeah.
very curious to know your journey, yours.
Okay, fantastic. Hey everyone. Nice. And I was thinking, कि आप लोगों के लिए what should I talk? Like, what should I share? Should I come up with like some big presentation and like give lifelong philosophy or like tell something? Then I spoke with uh, Ayush and said, okay, what will resonate with people the most? सबको क्या अच्छा लगेगा? And then instead of like giving you philosophical world, like big quotes, कुछ जिंदगी का ज्ञान देने से अच्छा, I said, okay, let's go and just talk about how I got here, because from like I born, and I just walk you through the journey, my journey, since I born till where I am, and there is a still long way to go. It's we haven't solved all the pieces of the puzzle, but hopefully this will help you guys. So let me give you मैं कहाँ से आया हूँ, what I did so far, and lessons I learned along the way. So I'll just tell that. So I will now, मैं आपको ये नहीं बताने वाला हूँ कि कैसे करना है और like क्या करना है. I'll tell you just like what not to do, like what are the things you should not be doing. Okay, all right. So I born in a very small city in Maharashtra. It's a small town um, in Maharashtra, it's near Solapur. Again, very काफी normal जैसा life होता है. My parents are like middle class, well educated background. Um, जब मैंने and then I did my bachelor's in मतलब engineering किया, BE वगैरह इसमें. And then after bachelor's I decided one thing. I मतलब when I was growing up in like almost 10-12 years back, the whole idea was like, hey, just engineering कर लो, job ले लो, engineering कर लो, job ले लो. That was like general concept, because it's quite natural, because your parents family, your society expects you to do something, so few things, or and then you have loans. That's the sort of a very average path everybody takes. There is nothing new about it. One first thing I'll tell you is like, think big, and start small. The first one, like, think big and but start small. What does that mean? That means wherever, whether you are like right now in a third year or fourth year, or you're just graduating, completing your bachelor's, think about, like, just don't think in the flow. Think like, okay, what I want to do, where I want to go. And the biggest question is, am I enjoying? मेरे को मजा आ रहा है कि ये जो चीज मैं कर रहा हूँ, मैं कर रही हूँ, इसमें मुझे मजा आ रहा है कि नहीं? Because when you have fun, everything becomes like really simpler. And जो आप लोग कर रहे हो उसमें अगर मजा नहीं आ रहा है, then it's time to rethink. और अभी there is a still lot of time left. मतलब it's a start of your journey. I'm assuming most of आप लोग most of you are in a similar boat. So think about like okay, am I having fun? मतलब सबको प्रोग्रामिंग आता ही होगा ऐसी जरूरी नहीं है, सबको सब चीजें आती होगी ऐसी जरूरी नहीं है. It's more about like the perspective, like, and nobody will teach you the life perspective. You have to learn it by experience. So when I left, when I completed my bachelor's, I started matlab, I was always in a really good student, but then after bachelor's getting a job was so difficult. um, Finding, just applying a job and finding a job, my first job was like 7,000 rupees, like literally 7,000 rupees per month, um, in a small startup. um, and then I realized that like real zindagi mein it's very difficult to survive. And you have to come learn from your own mistakes. That's another thing I'll tell you, like, just learn from your mistakes and don't commit the same mistakes again. So I completed my bachelor's, worked couple of years in India and in Pune, and then I had this clear thought. I was always inspired by a lot of entrepreneurs, but शुरू कैसे करना है वो पता नहीं था. I had like big idea, but then it's like, oh, अरे यार, how should I start? Where should I start? So in that case, it was, and then again, middle class family. My parents are not like sitting on like larger bank accounts. Higher studies was, I always wanted to do something about that, but there was no financial support. Like, okay, what, I mean, how should one get to the next level without like financial support? So after bachelor's, थोड़ा fight मारने के बाद, I worked for a couple of years, got some real industry experience. I think that is really important. And then I landed I took a loan from one of the bank and came to US to do my masters. I landed in US with $2,000, out of which moment I came here, मेरे को लैपटॉप लेना था, क्योंकि मैं जो कंपनी में काम कर रहा था, आई हैव टू रिटर्न इट बैक. एंड देन आई हैड लाइक प्रॉब्ली $1,200, $1,200 बच गए थे. Now clock started like, okay, now just go and work. The way it works is like, I came here and then I have $1,200. There is some state bank loan, and then took up, like, don't be afraid. That's the another thing I'll tell you. Don't be afraid. Like, if आपको कुछ चीजें पता नहीं है, there is no shame in accepting, and then you should reach out to people. आप लोगों को just like, you can just go and ask people for help. So जब मैं यहाँ पे आया, I had no connection. There is no like no godfather. कोई मतलब, there is literally no one. मेरे को यहाँ पे कोई पता था. Then I came here, and then with the clock started like every month, $200-300 worth of तुम्हें रेंट भरना है. And then मैंने लैपटॉप खरीदा था, and then it's like, okay, clock started. So as I said, like, think big but start small, and then don't never be afraid of like asking for help. So I went to a professor. उनको मैंने बोला कि हाँ, मेरे को ये एक्सपीरियंस है, but I'm open to do any work, and I'm more interested in entrepreneurship. I want to when I had a clear idea. Even I came to US, when I landed on the first day, मेरे काफी दोस्तों ने मुझे यहाँ पे जो लेने आए थे, उन लोगों ने पूछा कि तुम्हें करना क्या है, and I had a very clear answer to them that I want to start a company. पता नहीं था कि कैसे करते हैं, क्या करते हैं, बट वो एक दिमाग में ख्याल था कि हाँ, we have to start a company. And then so what I suggest all of you to think like, okay, करना क्या है. It's okay. I mean, तो आप लोगों को पूरा you may not have like that entire picture in your head कि कैसे जाना है, कहाँ जाना है, ये एटलीस्ट वो तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए कि ओके आई वांट टू गो समवेयर. अगर आपको यही पता नहीं है कि कहाँ पे जाना है, तो आप कितना भी ट्राई करोगे, then you won't be able to go there. And it's the one thing my मेरे पिताजी and my father always told me, uh, decide. If you cannot decide, you won't be able to make any progress. Just make sure that you decide, because this decision taking is so critical. So मैं यहाँ पे आया हूँ अभी US में, and then landed some job, small job here and there, but had that clear picture like I want to start a company. Then, as I said, don't be afraid. Go ask for help. So went to professor, said, "Hey, I want to start a company," and he was generous enough. उन लोगों ने मेरे को मेरी जिंदगी का पहला really good lesson सिखाया. So I founded my first company with my professor back in 2008-9 सालों में, 2008 and 9 time frame में. The one thing it said is like, when you're building on a product, it's all yours, or like idea is yours, but execution, like ideas are cheap. Like anybody can have an idea. Let's say हर कोई बोल सकता है कि यार I can go and build Paytm, I can do, like let's say I can build Facebook, I can do this, I can do that, but execution is everything. Ideas are cheap, execution is what matters at the end of the day. So or the other thing is like when my professor, he was a really good, I mean he's a good person. उन लोगों ने मेरे को एक काफी अच्छा सिखाई कि यूजुअली what I have seen in growing up was like, अरे हाँ काम करो, खुद से करो, ज्यादा बड़े सपने मत देखो, or like just like okay go with the flow. But my professor told me like, if you want to build a big company, if you want to do something in life, work with people, bring people in, share the pie. Agar let's say how do I say it, like if you succeed, let everyone around you enjoy your success, let them also be the part of your success. Matlab, when you succeed, everyone else will grow with you as well. Share. The other way of saying is like, you can go and work and let's say earn all money by yourself, let's say whatever that small money, or you can get 10 more people and increase the pie together, so everyone succeeds. Share the responsibility. So I started that company with my professor, work with, and he gave me scholarship to like he funded my all education. And then when I as I said, like you should always have that clear thing in mind, and don't be afraid of asking for help. And then the third thing was like, okay, matlab, don't be like just like don't be all talk. Think about like how can you go and execute on something. Then I left. I mean, I worked for a couple of years for my professor. Then I landed in the San Francisco area. I came to San Francisco area, and for us वो जॉब भी मेरे को बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग तरीके से मिला. तो मैं रात को थोड़ा काम करता था, ऐसा कुछ doing something. I landed and I like music. I love Bollywood music. So every time I'm doing some coding, I'm doing some product, I always have my earpod on and I'm listening to all music. Back then Spotify, ya Gaana, ya Saavn were like not big then, 2008-9 time frame. There was a app called as a TuneIn Radio, and मेरे Bollywood music, I like Bollywood music, so I wanted to listen to Bollywood music. So रात को काम करते करते I found this website where you can search for like Radio Mirchi and all those sites and listen to all the songs. So and I मेरे को वो site काफी अच्छी लगने लगी. Then one fine day I saw कि ये लोग तो hire कर रहे हैं, तो let's apply to this. Why not work here? गाने का गाना भी हो जाएगा और पैसे का पैसा भी मिल जाएगा. So I applied for a job and then got the opportunity to work with another small startup. And that was like another career pivotal moment where when you, let's see, agar aap, if you are doing few things in a good intention and if you surround yourself with the right people pull you up. अगर आप अच्छे लोगों के साथ काम करोगे, अच्छे लोगों के साथ, अच्छे माइंडसेट वाले लोगों के साथ काम करोगे, तो they will pull you up. While the people who are narrow minded, they pull you down. And आपको यहाँ से whenever now, when you are finding a job, whatever you are doing, is a small thing. Think about कि कैसे you can just go up from here. How can you go up from here rather than how can you surround yourself by like right people? Are they encouraging? You should always do that test. Ask yourself कि मैं सीख रहा हूँ क्या, मैं सीख रही हूँ क्या यहाँ पे कुछ? Am I learning something? So I worked there for a couple of years and then started my second company. The guy who had no experience of like any startup came to Bay Area, San Francisco area, got funding, completed education, and now I started my second company. I'm an engineer. I am not like full polished like salesperson. I don't had any connections. Don't know anyone. Now I wanted to raise money. पहले 6 महीने I started like basically talking to people. सबको जाके connection करो, बातें करो, and then you have to just explain yourself to raise funding. And funding experience is like you have to the third thing or like the most other. So far we talked about like think big, start small. Okay. Don't be afraid of asking for help. And now the next important thing I'll tell you is it's okay to make mistakes. Like commit new mistakes every time. नई गलतियां करो every time. नई गलतियां. You have to do new mistake every time. एक गलती दोबारा से repeat मत करो. But you have to learn from the same mistakes and just go. So when I started raising my funding, I had no clue who are these people, what are they doing, how to even raise funding. But laga raha, and then first 12 months we just failed. Hardly raised any money to do anything. But then we continued working like for 2-3 years, and then we raised funding for our first real startup. Then we raised funding, built the team, and then in 2015 I sold that company to another publicly traded company, like public company, काफी बड़ा company था, and then I started working there. Now someone who worked at a small company going in a big company and working for a big company, it's always hard because you are setting your own rules in a small company. When you go and work for a big company, somebody else is setting rules for you. So first 3-4 महीने I was like frustrated. यार, I don't want to work in a big company. यहाँ पे काफी ज़्यादा politics, काफी ज़्यादा ये वो काफी सारी चीजें होती है. So one of my friend, he told me, like, एक दिन whenever you will build a big company, you need all this experience. You need all this experience. Like you will run into these situations again and again. So don't give up. Just learn by or acquire these skills. ये जो skill आप लोग अभी पढ़ रहे हो या whatever you are doing, they never go vain. It's not the waste of knowledge. It will come back to you and it will help you in a certain way. Then Fast forwarded, I worked there a couple of years, then joined Uber. I was at Uber from like 2006, 17 to 2019, working on like a lot of monetization, all this stuff, product management. And then I left Uber to join Facebook. And I was at Facebook a little while, working on Messenger application for some time. But then जिंदगी में काफी अच्छा चल रहा था. I had like good uh, wife, family, kids, and um, uh, अच्छा salary भी आ रहा है Facebook में. But then I was not happy. I was like, यार, am I really belong here? या फेसबुक है काफी मस्त. एवरीवन लाइक हर कोई जो बंदा है वो ड्रीम कर रहा है, आई वांट टू वर्क फॉर फेसबुक. बट यार मजा आ रहा है क्या लाइफ में? एम आई डूइंग दिस? इज Am I waking up every day and am I having that fun of like that hustle? Am I having that like thrill in my life? Am I learning something new? लर्न तो काफी न्यू कर रहा था, बट लाइक मजा नहीं आ रहा था. So at the start of pandemic, I started working on this new idea in weekends and nights. So I would say whoever wants to start a company from here, and I want many of you start a company. Don't just go in a job. Like, okay, I want to go and do a job. Think about like, I want everybody in this room to go and start a company someday, sometime in their future. Like not necessarily a tech company. It could be like anything, their own business, because business has its own fun. Business has its own maza hai. So so that's why I'm telling you my journey. Like if I can, I think all of you can as well. So the fact is, like, you can go and work for. I worked at Facebook for some time, and then one fine day I woke up and said, yeah, I just want to work again on something fun where I'll have a lot more fun. And then I started Simplified. Simplified is my new company. I highly recommend all of you guys to go and check it out at simplified.co. Um, I'm building a design and collaboration platform, and I'll talk about that later, for creators. Like everybody and anybody can just go and be the creator, because I think the last and most important. I mean, I'll keep it short, but the last and most important thing, all of you, one thing, you guys are probably way younger than me, or like probably um, um, I start building your own brand. Guys, this is, girls, like everyone in the room, please understand what I'm saying here is you should build your own brand. मतलब हाँ, अभी लेट्स से एक डिम का फलाना, आप आपके आपको कौन पहचानता है? प्रॉब्ली आपकी गली में से लोग, आपके कॉलेज में लोग पहचानते हैं. बट देन यूज मीडियम्स लाइक Instagram Reels, Twitter, not Twitter so much, but Instagram Reels, or like other Facebook and all these medium channels, to even create some sort of content, not like any random content, but build your own identity. लोगों को पता होना चाहिए कि हाँ, ये बंदा, जितने लोग आपके साथ एसोसिएट करेंगे, जितने लोग, सो थिंक अबाउट इट कि हाउ वुड like 20 other, like keep a goal, okay, how can 5 more new people will know about me? How can I connect with 5 more new people? Because next generation, with like, if we have seen in last 1 year, we all are at home. There is hardly any in-person conversations are happening, so it's all digital. We are producing a lot more content, and and we are consuming lot more content right now. So think about this, like, so we want to go and learn how to create content. It could be blog. Write a blog, write your experience, document your journey. More than outcome, think about like, am I enjoying the journey? Am I having fun? I think that's the most important takeaway. I'll share it from my journeys. Like, think about like, am I having fun? And am I having journey? So like, 3 things I want you to take away from like, and we'll discuss a lot more, but think big. Even you don't have resources, आपके पास अभी कुछ भी नहीं है, कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं है आपके पास, बट स्टिल थिंक बिग. एवरी डे वेक अप एंड बोलो कि सोचो कि यार हाँ मेरे को ये बनना है, आई वांट टू डू दिस. रिसर्च अबाउट इट, लर्न अबाउट इट, थिंक बिग बट स्टार्ट स्मॉल. सिर्फ बड़ी बड़ी बातें और वड़ा पाव खाते हैं, यू डोंट बिकम लाइक दैट कैटेगरी. इट्स मोर लाइक ओके, think about like, okay, how can I get there? How can I think about, if I want to become, let's say, good engineer, am I practicing, am I coding here? If I want to become like really a business person, or like I want to complete my MBA, am I doing that thing right way? Am I एक घंटा डेली मैं उस पे काम कर रहा हूँ क्या? Once you start enjoying the process and once you become the makes it as a habit, कोई goal won't be like impossible. So think big but start small. They commit daily. Second, don't be afraid of making mistakes. हाँ गलतियां होगी, when you will make mistakes, that's the only way you will learn. If you don't make mistakes, then you are not learning. Like, and then when you are making mistakes, just accept them, work on it. Don't be harsh on yourself, and go to the next phase. And third is, just be kind to yourself, be humble, and don't be afraid of asking for help. अगर आपको कोई किसी, let's say LinkedIn, किसी को आपको लगता है कि यार ये बंदे से मैं कुछ सीख सकता हूँ, reach out to them, explain them. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा? People will be like, they will ignore your message. But at least you give it a try. It's easier to say, I mean, it's easier said than like easier. If there are no actions, then it just like nobody cares value. Like you have to commit to something and try it, try this whole thing again and again. That's how you will succeed. So that's all my so far, and we are still in this journey. We are every day waking up every single day and building the product, helping entrepreneurs, businesses all around the world. But I hope, Anushka, this set the context and kind of help people to just understand.
Yeah, so surely it was a really inspiring journey from your side. The three key points which we all will surely take away, that never be afraid to make mistakes, never be afraid to reach out people for help, and think big and start small. These are the very important key points that you said today. So we all will surely take away all these three. And next, I would like you to tell something us about Simplified. That from where did you get the idea about it, and how you made it, like how you made it from what it is right now.
Yeah. So simplified. So the over last few years, one thing I जब मैं Uber Eats में काम कर रहा था, I realized that कि यार हर कोई, like I got an opportunity to work with like a small restaurant, छोटा सा restaurant, and big Fortune 500 companies like Coca-Cola's, and everybody needs one thing: marketing. Everybody needs marketing. And आज के and if you look at like if you see in the restaurant on the corner, those guys are not technical. Those are not, they don't understand like, so like they now understand, I mean, in a sense, but how to market, how to grow their business, they have no clue. They don't have tools, they don't have products to work on like these, all these things. So when I started, the initial idea was simple. Like right now, if you have seen, हम लोग सुबह उठते ही first thing we do, like no matter what time you wake up, you just open your phone and check like what are the WhatsApp messages from your friends and family. First thing you do, and last thing before you close your eyes, you look and consume content. So as a small business, I want to reach out to more and more people. How do I do it? Like what the only way I can do it is through the content, like, and marketing. And that's where we said, why not like start a simple, allow people to create content without much hassle? Like, can we allow people to just collaborate, work together? So next decade is about making human faster. Like, how can we do more? ज़्यादा काम हम लोग कैसे कर सकते हैं? So that's how we started the idea of Simplified. And Simplified is a digital design and collaboration platform for you, for each one of you to do more with less. You can use AI, artificial intelligence, to write your content. You can create your content. You can build videos. You can build like static assets and all that stuff. And we are still in early in the journey. We raise funding this time, and we are building global team again. If any one of you are interested in joining us, also reach out to us. Like, as I said, don't be afraid. Put yourself up. Say, hey, like, I'm here to learn. Okay, yeah, and show, don't tell. Like, why should, like, even wherever you want a job, wherever you want like these things, show, don't tell. Show like why you're worth. Like, you have to stand out. That's the only way you can earn respect, and people will. So, and Simplified, the way we are doing it is we are building fully distributed global team. Right now, there is no office. Everybody works from their home. We have team in Mexico City. We have team in India. We have team in, and everybody is remote. Bangladesh. We have in Europe. People work from home. Hopefully, once as COVID thing gets under control, or like whatever vaccination happens, we plan to fly everyone. We meet every day in the night to just connect all the global team, and we plan and execute. Um, Trying to build a really amazing culture, because लोगों को जब मजा आता है ना काम करने में, then it's everybody, when everybody is happy, you make a lot of progress. And I started with the idea, but now it's up to the community, it's up to the team to go and execute on it. So we are still early in the journey. We are building it, and we are building in public. So that's how I got connected with Ayush, and he's been vocal about like our his experience working with our product. And then, as I said, like, don't be afraid of asking for thing. He just reached out to me. We became Twitter friends. He reached out to me and said, "Hey, like, I'm doing this webinar, and I think our community, our people, will benefit by sharing with your like your experience. And do you want to like share your experience and help the like a new entrepreneurs, new students, or like everyone out there?" And I was like, okay, yeah, let's do it. Like, I might need to wake up a bit early, but that's totally cool as long as we are giving back. Nobody was there to tell me when I was at when I was there and I was trying in that same boat. So I don't want to commit the same mistake. I definitely want to give back to my knowledge, because knowledge is all about, ideas are cheap, as I said, execution is everything. So I'm knowledge sharing. Like, let people learn from you, let people follow the journey. And you can also follow me on Twitter, where we also share a lot of our learnings as we are building the company. And you can, as Ayush did, like, he reached out to us, build the connection, and then we became friends. Follow that same path. Doesn't hurt. Hope that's helpful.
Yeah, surely it was. Okay, so in our learning and exploring years, we also do some mistakes. Though we learn from them, but sometimes they cause a little harm to us. So, sir, what was your biggest mistake as you think being an entrepreneur, if any it was?
I think that's a very good question. Let me just rephrase it. Every mistake cost you something. It not necessarily harm. It cost you something, but it teaches you a lot of life lessons.
Yeah.
If I have to look back, I'm just thinking like, what is the biggest mistake? Um, I think biggest mistake is harm. The biggest mistake is like when like it biggest mistake which turned into my biggest opportunity. Let's put it that way. Um, biggest risk I took. So after completing my masters in US, I had an opportunity to यार चलो बड़ी company में job करते हैं. Like after 2 years, right? Or where I took a job in a very small startup. When मेरे दोस्त like, and then everybody was running in a rat race. You know, like chalo, like we'll get immigration, visa, green card, US citizenship. Like everybody was running in that rat race. And when आज वही आपको मैं बता रहा हूँ कि आप अगर हटके कुछ करोगे, बाकी के सब लोग you might feel कि वो काफी बहुत ज्यादा प्रोग्रेस कर रहे हैं आज की मोमेंट में. आज अगर आप बिजनेस शुरू करोगे जीरो से या कुछ आइडिया पे काम करोगे, आपको लगेगा कि यार बाकी के तुम्हारे जो दोस्त हैं, बाकी के सारे आपके बैचमेट्स हैं, दे आर लाइक मेकिंग रियली अमेजिंग प्रोग्रेस. कोई लोग यहाँ पे काम कर रहे हैं, कोई लोग वहां पे काम कर रहे हैं, इंस्टाग्राम पे फोटो डाल रहे हैं, ये कर रहे हैं, ट्रिप पे जा रहे हैं, और आप लोग बैठ के वही बिजनेस कर रहे हो. वही आज के मोमेंट में आपको लगेगा कि यू आर लाइक वे बिहाइंड, बट 2 years डाउन द लाइन you will be like up ahead of them, and rest of the people are still moving in that same rat race where they are going through. So that I would say that, like, leaving the job while on the visa with like no backup, there is no backup plan. That was the, I think, biggest mistake, and that turned into a biggest opportunity for me. अगर मैंने वहां पे जॉब नहीं छोड़ा होता, कंपनी स्टार्ट नहीं शुरू की होती, then I wouldn't have gone on to this path of like entrepreneurship. किसी ने बहुत really अच्छे से कहा है, when you enjoy the freedom of like taste of freedom, you become unemployable. Very simple thought है, but it's काफी. When you work for yourself, when you work for your own dreams, when you work for your own passion, time का आपको पता नहीं चलता है. So think about कि क्या आपको करना है. Like you may not have that answer, but at least think about it. Thinking won't take anything. यार हाँ मेरे को ये करना है, and then accordingly start planning.
Yeah, surely it seems you really enjoy your journey, what you faced or what you are still enjoying your journey being an entrepreneur and with your Simplified. So next question to you is, what advice you'd like to give to all the young and learning entrepreneurs out here? To us, what would you like advice?
Yeah, sure. So I mean, one advice is, like, as I said, डर के आगे जीत है. That's the best thing I'll tell you. Like, you won't have like your life may not be perfect right now. You will struggle. Don't give up. Like, I think I like these punchlines in the our ad industry. Like, डर के आगे जीत है. It's like you might feel like, यार आज मेरे को पता नहीं, आज मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है, आज मेरे पास ये नहीं है, आज मेरे पास रिसोर्सेस नहीं है. They will come to you. You have to work in that direction. You have to try every single day. And as I said, like, लोग क्या कहेंगे, don't worry about that. लोग कुछ तो कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. It's what matters is what do you feel. When आज अगर आप 10 साल आगे जाके पीछे मुड़ के देखोगे, तो आपको ये लगना नहीं चाहिए कि यार I had opportunity and I never tried it. That is the biggest thing I'll tell you. Like, look, कोई भी डिसीजन ले रहे हो आप, तो just look back and say, आज 10 साल और 5 साल 2 साल बाद, you should not look back and say, यार मेरे को वहां पे चांस था बट मैंने लिया नहीं. वो फीलिंग बहुत, you should never have that feeling. और जो चीज तुम्हें अच्छी नहीं लग रही है, don't do that.
That's really great. So now I'd like our curious audience to pitch in and clear all their doubts. So
Sure.
Dear audience, you can raise your hands and I'll be calling the names out. Then you can ask your questions to sir. So you can raise your hands down here. Okay, we have Mohammed Asim Khan here. Asim, you can ask your question.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Hello, Mohammed.
Sir, there many a times we are in a situation like as you said that we should just seek, we just should enjoy what we are doing. But many a times we are in a situation where um, we just cannot enjoy because there are some pressures from the financial state, or I guess you understand what I'm
Yeah,
saying.
yeah, I
So
understand totally.
so how do we get out of that state?
देखो ये कैसा है, ये सबका प्रॉब्लम है गाइस. आई मीन दिस इज वेरी वेरी कॉमन प्रॉब्लम. और जहां से हम लोग आते हैं, जहां से जिस तरह से आप हमारे पेरेंट्स लाइक दे आर वर्किंग हार्ड टू गेट you here, like providing, they expect certain things. So there are काफी तरीके हैं, राइट. अभी आपको सी फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम और लाइक फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू डू फॉर एनीथिंग यू वांट टू डू. पहले खुद का भला भला करो, देन यू कैन डू योर सोसाइटी का भला. सो मोहम्मद, यू हैव आस्क्ड मी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस लाइक, यार मेरे को करना कुछ है लेकिन बिल तो एवरीडे भरने पड़ेंगे. तो यू हैव टू पुट मोर एफर्ट्स. अगर आप जॉब, लेट्स से आपको जॉब लगी है लेट्स से सुबह 8 से 6 बजे, घर आने के बाद फिर से काम करो टुवर्ड्स योर पैशन. सैक्रिफाइस अदर थिंग्स, sacrifice like all extracurricular, like find online opportunities. let's say कि कहाँ पे मैं 4 घंटे रात को थोड़ा सा ज्यादा काम कर सकूं मैं. Can I work little bit more? Can I sacrifice my weekends instead of going and like doing something random stuff? Am I doing the right thing? अगर आप थोड़ा 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 डेली करोगे ना, then you will find for you will reach where you want to reach. And as I said, next decade is all about your content. Next decade is all about putting how world see you online. Not like online is like what is your visual identity. So अगर आपको कुछ भी पता है, like write about it, share about it, and then find those opportunities. Like आपको let's say for example आपको डिजाइनर बनना है, आप इंजीनियर हो एंड आपको डिजाइन बहुत अच्छा लगता है, एंड दे आर लाइक अरे यार अगर मैंने जॉब छोड़ दी मेरी इंजीनियरिंग वाली या मेरी मार्केटिंग वाली, पैसे तो अच्छे मिल रहे हैं, अगर मैं डिजाइन में गया तो पैसे कम मिलेंगे बट आई विल बी हैप्पी. तो वो थोड़ा सा बैलेंस करना जरूरी है. डोंट गिव अप. तो रात को थोड़ा सा काम करो, बैलेंस करते. थोड़ा परेशानी होगी पहले, इनिशियल इट्स नॉट इजी, but once you pass that initial phase, you will find a way to, you will connect with those people more. अगर आप सिर्फ सोचते रहोगे तो आप सोचते ही रह जाओगे. सो थिंक अबाउट लाइक ओके, मेरे को जाके 4 लोगों से मिलना है, हाउ कैन आई लर्न फ्रॉम देम? गो एंड टॉक टू देम, ट्वीट करो, उनके बारे में पूछो, reach out to people for advice, look for opportunities, then opportunities will come to you. Make sense?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, cool.
Next we have Harshit Gupta. Harshit, you can ask your question.
Yes. Hello, sir. Good evening, sir. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, sir. Thank you for asking. So, firstly, आपने जो बात कही है ना, that has like clicked to the mind and heart. Like, I don't know. I really don't know if we were meant to be here together, or it's some activity of universe. But जो आपने कहा एक point that I have learned through like rigorous meditation, rigorous thinking, and going over and over again, which you have integrated in like one go. So that was really incredible, sir. खासकर आपका वो एक तो action part, like you have to take action. You can't just sit and think like some miracle would happen. And secondly, that डर के आगे जीत है. Like if you have fear, accept it and do the thing that you have to do at the end, even if you are scareful to do so. So
Okay. Yeah.
yes. So my question is like the funding part that you said, like you had zero knowledge and experience. You basically began from scratch. So you are more than capable than anyone to tell me like about funding. I'm very like skeptical about funding. It seems like an impossible task. For example, I'm working on an event in my college, and to get funding from sponsors or support from someone, like what's the cream or core ideas or tips that you can give me from your experience?
Yeah, good question. सबसे पहले फंडिंग सी देखो, फंडिंग इज लाइक इट्स, आप अगर कहाँ, फंडिंग इज ऑल अबाउट द, फर्स्ट सोचो कि तुम्हें फंडिंग चाहिए क्यों, लाइक व्हाट इज योर दैट बिग गोल। क्योंकि हम लोगों ने ऑलवेज देखा है कि हमारे काका मामा चाचा या वो, दे ऑलवेज हैव देयर ओन बिजनेस and then they continued that family business for a long period of time, nothing wrong in it. And then the way funding world works is like you have this idea, you have this one vision, and you want to just like get more people associated with it, and then you want to grow it to a next level. That's why you need funding. Now the when you go and raise funding, आप बेचने वाले हो, सब कोई खरीदने वाला है. So you need to learn art of telling the story. Why should I give, let's say, $10 or 100 rupees or whatever to Harshit? Like, is this, आपको वो आर्ट सीखना पड़ेगा कि खरीदने वाले बहुत है, आपको बेचना आता है कि नहीं, वो that's the most important thing. So learn the art of like selling. A simple example देता हूँ आपको, which you will, all of you will resonate. अगर आप कार डीलरशिप में जाओगे, कोई किसी भी कार डीलरशिप में जाओ, वो आपको इंजन खोल के, जाते ही आपको इंजन खोल के दिखाएंगे नहीं कि हाँ ये काफी इंजन है, ये देखो यहाँ पे ये पार्ट बनाया हुआ है. What they will look at you and say, okay, Harshit might like this red car, or his personality is more like, okay, the guy who does meditation and all that stuff, right? So they will make you sit in the car and say like, sir, you can just play this meditation, you'll feel good. Make buyers like feel good about what they are buying, then people go and buy more. Learn the psychology, learn the philosophy of like your buyer, and then tailor your messaging according to what they are looking to buy, not like what you want to sell. Does that make sense, Harshit?
Yes, sir, that makes perfect sense. Like, first have a clear
Okay,
idea,
cool.
first have a clear aim, and you should be able to convince others, think from their perspective, like what they want, make them
Correct.
want to buy your product.
Correct.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, sir.
Next, we have Mr. Nitik Naran. Nitik, you can ask your question. I guess he has some network issues. Next, we have Dhruv Mankatala. Dhruv, you can ask your question.
Good evening, sir.
Hello, Dhruv.
Hello, sir. So I want to ask you a question that what type of mindset you are having while having such type of competitors in the market like Canva?
Yeah, great question. So as I said, when I think this is a very, very important question. When you have competitors, or like when you have like really solid competition in the market, that means there is an opportunity. And the other thing is like, can I build? You see the look at the market, total addressable market, like we call it as a TAM. How big is it? Like, is that one particular competitor is taking over all the market, or there is still like, is, can we together make a like market bigger? And then the second is start small. The way we've been thinking is like, okay, Canva is awesome, we love Canva. Appreciate good things about others, rather just don't go into mindset यार वो Canva तो कुछ भी बकवास है. No, Canva is a good product. So like whoever, like let's say you are building in a particular segment, learn from what others did well and do it differently, like do it 10x better. So in case of this, people ask us this question all the time, like, hey, how you guys are different from Canva? Because Canva is like really popular product, and you guys have like really awesome product, but how are you different? Our answer is fairly simple. Canva is a amazing design product. We love them. Simplified is a one app. It's a one app for all your marketing. So think about it. Like what do we mean by one app? It's, as a small business, you need what all things you need someone to go and create content for you. You need someone to schedule content for you. You need artificial intelligence, or like do more. Jo restaurant hai, they don't know about marketing. So that's what we are building with Simplified. Can we build like one app which will do all your marketing? So as I was saying to, I think, Arshit, positioning is everything. When we are going and selling in this market, it's all about like positioning. It's all about telling the story. आज के डेट में, when you want to launch, let's say, anything, like any product, you have to create content, like using some product. Then you have to go of some, and a lot of collaboration happens. Like आज के डेट में जब Ayush was putting this event together, he had to work with probably Anushka, then his team, then work with me. So there is a lot of collaboration is happening. So how can we make that simpler? And our vision at Simplified is not just build a design product. Our vision is to build a space where you can do more with less, collaborate together, and unleash your creativity. That's our vision. That's a very, very ambitious vision, and we are embarking on this journey. And did we solve all the puzzles? No. Are we solving and heading in the right direction? Yes, we are. That's how you take it. And think about first, like small battles. Don't go on war until you have confidence of winning small battles. That's our philosophy at Simplified. Hope that answers through your question.
Thank you, sir.
Next, we have Omkar. Omkar, you can ask your question.
Yeah. Hey, KD. First of all, thanks for joining.
Hey, Omkar.
Yeah. So my question is basically regarding this startup thing. We all know that how much it is important to build this initial stage team, because team is something like if I'm on a team. So if I feel the product, the sense of product much more than you, like approximately to you, it will be much more easy for us to work together. So basically, the simple question is how to build this early stage team.
Great. Early stage team, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great question. So if you're starting right now, I would start with like people I know. जो मेरे दोस्त है, like, am I having fun working with these people? That's the simple litmus test. Can I wake up every day and work with Omkar like 12 hours, 20 hours a day? Can I do that? And if answer is no, then you are not potentially a right fit for my team. But if answer is yes, then can I feel like, are we obsessed? That's the simple thing. Because I keep telling to our team or like to the world, even I constantly keep reminding everyone, like at Simplified, people is everything. If you have happy people, if you have happy team, magic magic begins. So take care of people really well, respect people, because nobody like to see, though I keep saying, as long as you are getting shit done, we don't need to worry about like how you are getting that thing done. So give people like freedom. So respect them, and show. One of the core principle we have in Simplified is show, don't tell. Like walk the talk. Don't just like come back and say, hey, I can do this XYZ ABC. Can you walk the talk? Simple. And the typical process we follow is, see what happens in the job. Often let's say Omkar comes and work with us. After 2 weeks, he realized that damn यार कहाँ मैं फंस गया. But now अभी मैं job छोड़ भी नहीं सकता हूँ, or because अभी तो join किया हुआ है यार. So the philosophy and the process we've been following is like, if we like Omkar and if he fits into stuff, we say, Omkar, come and work with us for 2 weeks. Not free. like a paid program for 2 weeks. Work on real problem which we are solving. Get an idea for 2 weeks, fully paid, nothing, no free. There's no free stuff. There's no free lunch. We will assign you work as if you are working with us, like full time, and show your skills. And in 2 weeks, you will learn, यार ये लोग बोल रहे कुछ है, am I enjoying the product? Am I enjoying this being working with these people? And the second is, we should also need to feel is like, यार इस बंदे में दम है कि नहीं, right? और इस बंदी में दम है कि नहीं. So it's a mutual match. So all the people we hired, that's how we hired. Like global team, we just come and say, come work with us, and then we'll figure it out. And after 2 weeks, it's very clear. Either you are a good fit or you're not a good fit. And if you are not a good fit, we'll be friends. There is no hard feelings. If you are a great fit, just come and work with us. That's the simple philosophy.
That's great. Actually, does not hampering your bit. Like, मेरे पास एक और question था. That is basically like, if I am having a conversation with my investor, so how to negotiate with him? Because ये early stage startups में जो fundings के लिए देख रहे होते हैं, उनके लिए बहुत initial, मतलब बहुत important topic होता है. Negotiate कैसे करें?
Negotiate जो मैंने हर्षित को बोला, खरीदने वाले बहुत है, आपको बेचना आता है कि नहीं, आपका प्रोडक्ट है, राइट? तो द होल पार्ट इज लाइक, कैन यू सेल? मार्केट में काफी फोन है, राइट? ओप्पो से लेके like iPhone is there, right? But when you go and look at iPhone, you're like, okay, I want to buy that, right? So and then Apple sets their own price, right? They said saying इससे कुछ कम ना होगा ना ज्यादा होगा. That what matters when you are negotiating with investors or when you're raising money. Even your job offers, forget about entrepreneurship, like everything, your job offers, see if you can have negotiating power. Can you go and negotiate अगर job भी कर रहे हो तो? But at least good to hear that many people in this group are thinking about like entrepreneurship. This is so refreshing to hear.
Yeah, thanks for this answers. मैंने कुछ technical questions पूछे. एक मेरा बस एक funny सा question है. Like as you said in this webinar that you are आप Bollywood movies से बहुत ज़्यादा fascinated थे. So any of your favorite Bollywood movies?
Like not hey man, it's hey. Like I before COVID, like I mean everything. I watch every single thing. Like every Friday is my me time. It's my way of COVID के वजह से I haven't been to theaters, but that's way of like relaxing. That's way of like just like disconnecting from your. It's my way of meditation. So I watch like pretty much everything, every single thing. I'm in deeply love with the Bollywood.
Yeah, thank you. And बहुत audience wait कर रही है आपसे बात करने के लिए.
Yeah. So, okay. Yeah. All right.
Next we have Aritro Dhali. You can ask your question.
Hello sir, good evening.
Hi Aritro.
I have two basic questions. Okay.
Sure.
So first one I want to ask, like in our we are in our prime college times, like first year and second year. Okay, sir. And sir, thinking is that we are building our team and we want to go for entrepreneurship, but we have to also think that in the coming times the idea we are working on, it can be a failure, right?
Yeah.
We will give our 100%. It will be a failure. It can be a failure. So we have to make our mind and we should plan what we can say, backup plan. And so we can also come in mind, like as a college student, the basic priority is like placements. So how to choose between that? What should be the thinking process, that should I continue with entrepreneurship or should I go for placements? So sir, can you please guide in that process, sir?
Yeah. So good question, Aritro. I think first thing is change mindset. There is no failure. There is always a learning. Because once you change the perspective from like, okay, when you start something with the notion of that, I'm going to fail, there is a good chance that you will fail. But when you start with the notion saying, I'm going to learn, because आप अगर first or second year में हो and you are starting like some company कुछ भी हो, like चाय बेचने वाली टपरी भी डालोगे ना, तो you will go meet 20 different people in your college. They will come handy somewhere, right? Not that like chai tapri is a low job. Like Starbucks made like billions of dollars by just doing that. So change the perspective. आज जो भी मैं कुछ कर रहा हूँ या कर रही हूँ, I want to make sure that I am there. Like I am there for like I'm learning something. अगर simple fail, then you just learn. जो भी आज आप कर रहे हो, मतलब आपको पता चलेगा कि ये चीज कैसे नहीं करते हैं. That's the mindset you can get it, and you're still like first year, second year, dude. Just like do it. Max, it might you will fail. You will not do it like the best way, but when the time is right, you will be like way more equipped to do it than anybody else.
Okay, so that means direct answer is experience. We will have some experience in that
Yeah, exactly.
regarding this one.
Exactly.
Okay, thank you, sir. So my second question is, before building we are working on a project. So before building a project, should we build a community first? Then after creating the project, should we promote that through that community, or first we should work on the project, create the project, then publish for the community?
Okay.
What should be the process?
Okay. Do you follow a lot of people? Do you follow a lot of people on Twitter?
No, sir. Actually, I'm not on Twitter, but
Okay.
I'm on LinkedIn.
Because a lot of people ask I mean, this is a common question people ask on Twitter, but that's a very good question. Should I build product first, or should I build my community first, or can I do it parallelly?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Exactly.
I would say do it parallelly, because horse before cart. अगर मैंने पूरा गाड़ी ले ली, पूरा ये लिया और पहिए ही नहीं लिए, then it won't. You don't want horse before cart. You want pretty much like you want to get a pulse of community. So the way how we started building Simplified, we last year I just started talking with a lot of designers, marketers. Every 2 weeks we were just showing them product and saying, okay, what do you guys think? Is this making sense? And then come back, उस पे थोड़ा improvement करो, फिर से जाओ. So you start becoming like, you start understanding this stuff. And till to the date, we still listen to a lot of people and iterate our product, fix bugs, make it improve the product. That's the best way of doing it.
Oh, thank you, sir. Means the answer should be both side by side. Do both
Yeah.
side by side.
Yeah, one of imbalance won't work.
Yes, sir. For now, the first step should be take action right now.
Yeah, take action. That's the most important thing. Good. Like right
In future, what will happen? It will happen. But right now, we should
Yeah.
get on the road and
Correct.
start doing
Exactly.
what we are
Exactly.
thinking.
That's the attitude. That's the way to go. And guys, like think about it. India is a billion plus people. यार नमक बेचने वाली टाटा कंपनी अगर बिलियंस बना चाहे, नमक, सिंपल थिंग, नमक, if they can make billions, we are the fastest growing economy, youngest country on the planet. So आप जो भी कुछ करोगे, you'll just like, there is a scale is already there. We don't realize that while we are mindset है सब ये. While we are there, we don't realize क्या रहेगा. How can I, like, if you can build mobile application, if you can build like anything, it can be easily solve. Like कुछ rocket science बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Simple चीजें solve करने के लिए problem बनाओ. Like simple problem उठाओ, उसको कैसे solve करूँ ये देखो, और जैसे करोगे then you will learn.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for clearing the doubts and sharing your experience, sir.
Yeah, we also need more diverse representation. I just have like all the boys asking a lot of questions. We need at least one the person, or like one girl asking at least one question, so that way we can help them as well. Okay, Anushka, let's go next.
Yeah, next we have Arun Sharma.
Hello.
Yeah,
Arun.
hi. Yeah, hi, Kitty. How are you?
I'm good.
I'm so happy. I just saw your website and Simplified. So I'm a user of Canva. But now when I saw a lot of new features. So I'm really impressed by Simplified, and you have also included the AI part, for which I was using some other software. Yeah, so I really appreciate your
Thank you.
efforts. Okay, so Kitty,
join the community, give us feedback, and have fun.
Sure.
Be the part of the
thanks.
process.
Yeah, sure, sure. So I'm so happy, about Blue Learn also. So I recently, just 2 days back, they also got funded, and I also saw that you also have sold your startup early in 2011, I believe, and then now also you have raised funding. So my question is around funding. This is my second startup which I'm doing. First startup was into offline space, where I run like corporate events and trainings and public workshops. So this second startup is a edtech startup, same like Blue Learn, but we are more into professional corporate trainings and online trainings itself, but more related to corporate professionals only. So my question is I'm a single founder. We are a 8-member team, and now we are looking to scale. So my question is when I see a lot of I have a lot of this notions about funding. So my question is like this. I have read it is difficult for a single founder to raise the fund round, because if you go for funding, it's a full-time job and you will not be able to focus on products, and you need to have team first. Should a competent team at the back, and we should have multi-founder, multi-co-founder team should be there. So I want to know that what's your take on this?
Yeah, good
Yeah.
question. So जरूरी नहीं है. First of all, good that you did your first startup, and now you're doing second startup. It takes a lot of courage to get back and dive in the water again. So जरूरी नहीं है. You need co-founders. It helps because sharing is caring. Like when you'll have more people you can share because fundraising, when people say fundraising is a process, you have to um, like I think going back to I think Harshit, what I told him, right? um, there are खरीदने वाले बहुत है, बेचने वाले आप ही हो वहां पे, and then you need to prepare like what exactly somebody is trying to buy, what are they trying to buy, and then prepare that self. That means you are taking away time from your core business, and that's the worry for some investors, but not necessarily. There are many successful companies with like solo founders. So don't be bogged down by the fact that you're a solo founder. If you get someone you trust, it's good to have. If not, don't worry. Just build the team. um, don't carry all the burden by yourself. Build a team where you give them responsibility, they learn. When you make them, when you empower them, they also learn, and they also start caring that much about the company.
Yeah, I really appreciate. So I'll take one more question if you allow. One more
Sure.
question I would like. Yeah. So Terry, I have one more, a negative perception about around funding. Is raising fund is the right thing or not? Because when I used to hear a lot of follow this Jiroda founder and then Joho and so I think क्या ऐसा है? Is it so that if you take funding, definitely अगर आपने किसी दूसरे का पैसा लिया तो there is a greater responsibility.
देखो फंडिंग
back.
सिंपल चीज है.
Yeah.
सिंपल चीज है. फंडिंग कोई फ्री में तुम्हें लंच तो नहीं देने वाला है. फंडिंग इज अबाउट लाइक यू आर गिविंग पोर्शन ऑफ योर कंपनी टू समवन एल्स. तो जो भी फंडिंग देगा और जो भी फंडिंग ले, जिससे भी आप फंडिंग लोगे, they will expect you to do certain things. There are strings attached. So the question is how ambitious are you? And not all businesses are fundable, but that doesn't mean those businesses are failure. Let's accept the fact. क्योंकि लोगों को दिमाग में लगता है कि अरे let me go and raise money. Not all businesses are fundable. When I say that, it means like your small business, it can run by itself. You don't need funding. You don't need funding to scale. So think about what category your business come in, and then plan accordingly.
It also depends on aspiration. So my question was is it that कि funding ले लिए तो भाई अपना जो freedom we lose freedom
Depending on आप कितना funding लेते हो.
किसी को रिपोर्ट करना पड़ेगा. एक होता है ना एंटरप्रेन्योर आदमी, कई बार इस वजह से भी बनता है कि आई वांट टू बिकम माय ओन बॉस एंड आई वांट फ्रीडम, दैट थिंग. एंड इफ यू टेक टू मच फंडिंग देन यू लूज योर फ्रीडम. इज इट लाइक दैट?
Right. Yep. Okay.
Thanks.
Next,
Thanks,
Ayush wants to ask something. Ayush has a question. You can ask
Hey,
Ayush.
Hi, Katie. Thank you for joining, man. It's 6:30 a.m. early morning, and you just showed up here. Thank you, man. Thank you for joining. Okay, so basically,
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, so basically my question was KD ki like when you start building a startup and when it comes to hiring a team, as Omkar asked you about the hiring a team member, and when we started like a startup, we generally start a team with our close friends, and you can say some people whom we know personally, like we don't have like a amount of money so that we can hire them on a salary basis. So but when we make a early team, starting में क्या होता है कि लोग they are very excited कि यार हमें इसको फोड़ना है, हमें इससे ये करना है, we are going to do something. But eventually ना like a team starts to lose the you can say motivation, या हम नहीं करना चाहते, या फिर ऐसे एक दो बंदे हो जाते हैं जो 8 लोगों का डिमोटिवेट कर देते हैं कि यार छोड़ना, देख लूंगा मैं. So but when it comes to a point कि when team is not working, and then being a founder, being a co-founder, it when it comes to firing the team member, it's really difficult to fire anyone, or you can say ki shift the remove from the team. So what should be the like how you should take the decision, like what should be the criteria, या फिर we should try motivating them कि यार कर ले, या फिर
Yeah.
नहीं हुआ तो फिर we should
देखो,
remove them.
very good question, and this is a very delicate topic as well. So कैसा है कि फेसबुक मूवी देखने के बाद एंड लाइक सम मूवीज देखने के बाद पीपल गेट इंस्पायर्ड कि यार कुछ तो करते हैं, राइट? लाइक लेट्स कुछ तो करते हैं, और करने में बहुत डिफरेंस है. Startups are hard. Like you have to slog 20 hours a day. Like you have to be occupied with that thing. You have to be obsessed. Either you do it or you don't do it. So, and it's not like एक दिन तुम्हें 20 घंटे काम करना है. जो आपको दिखता है कि अरे यार जकरबर्ग आया, उसने फेसबुक बनाया और रात रात में फेसबुक, वैसा नहीं था. He started coding from like early stages, like 15, and building stuff. Very few lucky people get like that immediate success. 99% or more, they have to slog years after years and years after years. Your overnight success will come after 3 years. 3 years of like 15, 20 hours of grind every freaking single day. So the question is, जो आपका टीम आपके साथ काम कर रहा है, are those like really motivated people who can just wake up every single day and think about this problem against all odds? एक दिन आप उठोगे, आपको लगेगा यार अब तो बस हो गया, like मैंने कर दिया, right? दूसरे दिन उठोगे और बोलोगे यार क्या कर रहा हूं मैं. So it's a roller coaster, right? So in that pace you need that team which is like, okay guys, you need, some places you need cheerleaders who are like 11, some places you need people who can think critically, or be transparent. Like, see, nobody wants surprises, or nobody likes surprises, especially when it comes to like working with friends. So अगर चीज नहीं वर्कआउट हो रही है तो just be like, dude, are you like, let's make a simple thing. Are you committed first? Like, are you willing to put like 20 hours? सिर्फ बॉस के लिए बॉस मत बनो. Just like, are you willing to commit like every single day? See, doesn't matter what is the result. Are you willing to show up every freaking single day? That what matters for me. Skills, you can learn it, but are you there? Like, are you there? And then if things are not working, don't see, oftentimes as a founder we make mistake is like we try to put a bandage on fracture. Sorry, we put like probably a band-aid on fracture. जो ऑपरेशन करके निकालना है पार्ट, और ऑपरेशन करके फिक्स करना है, वी से अरे लगा लो, उस पे थोड़ा मलहम लगा लो, हल्दी लगा के थोड़ी देर रखते हैं, then it pus starts, then it becomes like really big, right? Instead of that, if you, when you know that okay ये बात सर्जिकल है, तो you should have that conversation sooner. And at the end of the day, look, human mind is so sharp. तुम्हें gut feel होता है कि अरे यार ये वर्क हो रहा है कि नहीं वर्क हो रहा है. So you can always have that transparent conversation, close the topic, and just say, yeah, I mean, we'll be friends. Maybe not this might be not the best time for you to join our team. Maybe later. Let's stay in touch.
Yeah, got your point, KD. Thanks, man. Thanks again for joining, and for everyone, guys, who have joined here. let me tell you about a simplified, because I got a referral from Ajay, KD, and he
Yeah.
told me that, hey, you can just check the simplified. We are building something. So I got a referral about that. And basically, like, as Arun is a founder, I don't know like how many of you are a founder here or a co-founder here. Basically, when it's a BAP version of a Canva, I can say. Just because you have everything, you don't need a content writing team for posting your content. It's like you have a AI software, you can generate captions. It's like कैनवा में सिर्फ हम पोस्टर्स बना सकते हैं, वहां पे आप सब कर सकते हो. इट्स लाइक जस्ट कि आप एवरीथिंग लाइक वन स्टॉप प्लेटफॉर्म, यू कैन से कि आप go and check, like if you are a founder or
Simplified
co-founder.
is basically your marketing.
Yeah, basically, like, it's everything. I have been using this for the last 2.5 months or 3 months maybe, and like you will fall in love with the product. I'm ready to pay the fees, even if KD is charging. So yeah, basically, it's not a promotion, but it's like कि मजा आएगा. Just go and check that. Like, content
Yeah.
writing team की जरूरत नहीं पड़ने वाली.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
man. Thanks, KD.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah,
I think
Ruchita, go
Raghav
ahead.
is waiting for us for some time. So
Yeah,
Raghav,
Mr. Raghav, you can ask the question.
Hello, good evening, sir. And
hello
I've been
Raghav.
listening to the question answers, and actually, I must say that this question also covers a lot of things, and your answers covers a lot more actually. So thanks for
Okay,
the
good.
information.
I'm
And
glad.
actually, most of the questions have already been covered. So my question was right now that I just actually went through your LinkedIn profile. I was listening to your answers, and I noticed that you have actually a lot of experience. I mean, really a lot of experience in this field in particular as well. So my question was, as I am a first-time entrepreneur, I mean, I've been working on my own startup for the last 1 year. I wanted to ask, how exactly do you figure out that whenever you have made mistakes? I mean, you do learn from your mistakes, but figuring out that you have made one and then knowing how to change it and then how much damage has been done, how exactly how much should you go back and work on that again? Or should you go ahead and figure something out on the way? I mean,
Yeah.
it's a vague
Um,
topic, but yeah.
no, I think it's a good question, Raghav. So you said a couple of things, right? I have a lot of experience, but I was in your shoes, and I'm still in your shoes right now. Um, See, there is you have to just start, and then the way this whole thing works is like you will know from your own experience. See, I came here like after failing so many times, trying on so many different ideas, and we don't know, even like we know what we are building, but we haven't figured out every single thing. So the best way to start is like start do that. I mean, if you be relentless with your execution, but be patient with the results. Don't conclude immediately. It's not like it takes time. Like all these simple example, Instagram Reels people, right, or like TikTok Reelers, they keep creating content for like years for one video to hit and get like millions of views. It's exactly the same thing. You will learn from the signals. Like, okay, if you start tweeting, if you start creating content, if you start writing code, when you will look back, you will realize that, okay yaar, kal se main I can write better. It's not like failure, it's more like learning. You just like learning to do things different way. That's the perspective. And as you will grow, you will look back and say, okay, yeah, I can go and I know now how not to do this thing, or I know how to do this thing like in a like really amazing way.
Uh, yes, I understand your point, but doesn't it actually get sometimes? Let's just say that sometimes there's pressure from all sides. Let's say, like, I have just passed out from my degree, so currently I am
Mhm.
at a stage where I have to choose whether I look for a job, do I look for masters, or do I go for full time in my own startup, or do I do something else? And actually, it's
Okay,
a point where I have to choose between
I think it's
myself
a
and
okay,
yeah.
very good question and very good dilemma to have. Like, what do I do at this point? I would say do simple thing. What do you want to become, Raghav? Because right now you have too many choices, but you don't know which one to pick and what will be the repercussions of that choice you have made, right? So just take a step back and say, yeah, what is the out of all of this, what I want to, like, what, where do I see myself, what I really want to become, or what I want to do in 3 years, 5 years, and then backtrack from there. No, like, no path is right or wrong. Everything has its own thing. Just say, okay, if I go and do masters, this is what are the possibilities. If I do job, this is my possibilities. If I do my startups, and then the other thing is, am I ready? Am I ready to do this thing? Sochna or karna, it's like a big difference, right? So you need to think about, like, okay, how am I ready to do this thing? That's how I'll position it. And then again, reach out to people. Ask for people who, rather than solving all problems by yourself, go and ask others who been there in a similar place, and they'll be able to help you through that. Help you, at least not like they won't be able to answer for you, but they will be able to tell you, like, okay, take this route, that route, and that's the best way of going.
Okay, so basically, I can ask people exactly how should I go about choosing.
Correct.
Great. Thanks.
Yeah.
That was a great answer. Thank you.
All right.
Lastly, we have Dhruv Mankatala again. Dhruv, you can ask your
Okay.
question.
All right. Last question, Drew. Come on, go
Yes,
ahead.
yes, sir. So I want to ask you, sir, what type of stack you have used in your application, and while building the product, what do you follow that learn one functionality and implement it, or learn all the functionality of that product and implement it?
Yeah. So I mean, we use all sort of stacks. See, the technology at certain point become just like the common ground for all of it. Like, so we started with like Python, Django, Elasticsearch, Redis. So it's technology is like it's common. Pick the technology which you know the best. Don't worry about whether it is the best technology. As long as you know it, just use it, and then iterate it over the period of time. Because every time when you'll go back and look back, you will realize that you now know how to do this thing like other way, like better way. Yeah, and if you guys are interested, like, go guys, reach out to me on Twitter or like LinkedIn. Happy to take a look at your resume, talk to, and as we are growing the team, we are hiring like React, Redux, like front end engineer, back end engineers. So don't be afraid. As I've said, like, unless you ask, nobody will know that you're looking for the opportunity or you're looking for that thing. Okay, cool. Ayush, Anushka.
Okay, I guess we have the end of Q&A session here. All the curious audience has come up already with their questions. So I wish we could be able to grab more out of your experience, but so time also has some limits. So we have to end this amazing session now. Hoping more some sessions with you, sir, in future. Thank you so much for
Yeah,
joining us today.
absolutely. Yeah, thanks
And
for inviting, and thanks Ayush
Hello, sir.
for.
Can I ask one last question, sir?
Okay, go ahead.
Simple,
Go ahead.
simple one. Sir, whatever we are using to build our project, should we use that learn that technology or use that framework, learn that framework full first, then create, or we should? I mean that I know it's like a basic things and how to create. Should we
Yeah,
do that and
learn
learn
on the
side by
job.
side like that thing? I want to
Learn
ask.
on the job. Like, see, there is when you learn any language, you feel like, यार मेरे को नहीं पता है. Versus when you are building, you will do things in like in a like incorrect way first, but then over the period of time you will learn. So just learn on the job.
Oh, I mean, by creating it side by side, we can also
Yeah,
learn more and more.
exactly.
Not to like that we should learn everything first, then after that.
I mean, if you have time and liberty, you can learn, but always experience by learning will be far better and superior than just like bookish experience.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. All right. I mean, awesome. Thank you, Ayush, for scheduling. Anushka, thank you for moderating.
Thank you so much,
And I
sir.
hope
Thank you so much.
all the audience learned or like got something out of it.
Thanks,
Yeah.
KD.
Cool. All right. Thank
Thanks,
you.
man. Like
Thank
it's so far a best session. Like हमारा सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है तो 1.5 घंटे चला है and हमें काफी ज्यादा मजा आता था. Like we cannot say कि thanks KD, thanks.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right. All right. Bye.
So till then, everyone stay safe and stay tuned to Skill Valley sessions for thrilling content. Also on 15 August.